I'm in a pretty bad mood today, so I want to rant about how shit dorm life is. I don't know if it's all dorms, but it's my dorm anyway. Um, right now there's a big jam session going on outside. Yesterday there was like trucks full of beer being brought up, and there's a 10 and I don't know, man. They're having some kind of party shit, like just outside my house, so that's good. Tonight is going to be so noisy. I know it's going to be. I have class tomorrow, and I'm like, is that cool? Just to like not even bother to ask. But I guess when you're a student, you're expected to just want to party all the time. Like I like partying as much as next people, but every fucking night it's constant noise. Oh, the shower is totally blocked. It was going right up past my ankles while I was showering, so I was like, okay, this is getting really fucking stupid. So I was like, I'll get the plunger, and I got the plunger. Tried my hardest to plunge the fuck out of the shower. All I did was make it worse. But someone must have tried to use the shower after it, and now there's like a big puddle of gunk that is like dried into the bottom of the shower, and then it's fucking disgusting. The cleaner, I use the word lightly, came in this morning and it looks like she's done fuck all to it. Like she's just went, oh well, I didn't do it. I was like, well no, but you're the fucking cleaner, so clean it, mad bitch. I'm so full of rage. Like, when I first came here, I stop yawning. When I first came here, my sink was blocked. And it took me over a month of constant plunging for it to go back to normal. It's a really lively video. I'm literally falling asleep while I speak. The sink in the kitchen is totally blocked as well. Honest to god, this fucking shithole. Got music blasted at me and I'm so full of rage today, like I could literally punch a child. I've got 27 days. God, bring me home. Bring me home. I don't want to fucking be here anymore. So the sink's totally blocked in the fucking kitchen. The fucking hole of a kitchen. The fucking bathroom smells like, oh, I've never smelled anything like in my life. I don't even know what came out of that pipe. And I'm not cleaning it up, like why the fuck should I have to clean it up? Why did I even have to try and unplug it? Like, is that my job? I pay €252 a month to live in this hole of a room where I put posters up and the wall crumbles beneath it via blue tack. I've got like polka dots all over my fucking walls now, and I just know fine well that when the housemaster or whatever, housemaster comes in, he's gonna be like, oh, what happened to the walls? I'll be like, well, maybe you could have fucking plastered them better and maybe like not left it 20 years to do it, like seriously. I see if they don't give me my deposit back after this fucking bullshit. So full of rage. And I've got this fucking girl upstairs, fucking screams in some crazy Asian language. Already I don't know how to use Skype properly. They think that you need to like scream across to the other country. And then earlier last month, someone tried to come into my room at like 4 in the morning. So that was good. Not fucking terrifying at all. And like I'm the biggest hypochondriac in the world. and being surrounded by all this filth is giving me the worst stress in my fucking life. But even if I'm gonna make it 27 days, I'll be fucking dead by then. So yeah, basically it was just a video to say how shit my life is right now, and get me the fuck home. Get me the fuck home. I want to go home to my nice house. Has carpets and floorboards and proper heating and a bath and a room that doesn't make me want to kill myself. In a country that doesn't hate me, where people can understand what I'm saying to them. I've got so much work to do. I feel too tired and mentally exhausted to do any of it. Dorm life is crazy. It's crazy good. It's exactly like Zoe 101. Just what I thought it would be like. Caitlin out.